What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Litecoin. Right now we're sitting at $191. We're up about 5%. Bitcoin's looking really good. It's breaking through 61,000 right now. So we have Bitcoin running for us. That's exactly what you want to see if you want to see Litecoin push a little bit higher. So what we're going to do today, guys, we're going to look at the 1-day time frame as well as the 4-hour time frame so we can get a little bit more detail, and want to look at some target areas for Litecoin. So if you guys get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash up the thumbs up if you love Litecoin. Guys, like I've said for the last 4 or 5 years, I love Litecoin. It was the first crypto I ever got into, and I love trading it. Provides a lot of volatility. So main area we're looking at here, guys, on the 1-day time frame, if we take a look, we're running into this overhead resistance here, this red line at about $190, as well as this 200 moving average in white. So if we can have a daily candle close up above that, that potentially could lead us to higher levels. We look at about 200, the round psychological number. Then I believe it could be up to around $232, this area right up in this range. Most important thing we want to see is just the higher highs and higher lows coming in. So you can see from our bottom here, we've pushed up, higher low, we're going up to get a higher high, and then potentially back testing this area for a higher low and then higher. But right now things are looking pretty good on the 1-day time frame. The relative strength is at 62. If we take a look at our cipher, the money flow is in the green. VWAP's at 9.15, so we're in the positive, and we did get a green dot. That green dot came in roughly, we'll call it about $182. So we are seeing a little bit of follow through there. As you guys know, if you've been here with me for the last Litecoin videos, we entered at about I think it was 57 was our average buy, and we're just continuously letting that ride to the upside. So it actually came when this green buy dot came in down in this range. So right around this candle close here was our buy, and we're just letting it ride right now patiently, but I am working a stop loss up. Right now I have a stop loss at about 164. So it's always important to protect your gains if we do get a reversal, because I'm anticipating that this will just continue to the upside, and if it doesn't, then the structure's broken and I take my profit. So that's basically how I do it, guys. When I talk about trailing stop losses, basically what I'm talking about is just manually moving your stop loss up with each higher low. So say you got in down here, we pushed up to this range, we pushed up higher, you could put a stop loss underneath this area, and then as it moves up, you could put it under this area, and then under this area, and you just keep working up until you get stopped out of your position or until you consolidate sideways. Because basically when you look at these things, the higher lows should keep coming in. We pushed up here, higher low, pushed up, higher low, pushed up, higher low. So each time just moving that stop loss up underneath that previous higher low is how I like to do it, so I can lock in those profits. And you can also give it some wiggle room, guys, that you can also use the volatility stop. So right now the volatility stop, look where it put it, right underneath this at about 165. And I'm at 164 right now for a stop. So for people who want to learn more about stops, I might do some videos. If you guys want that, let me know down below. Just put stops, anything, so I would know to do that. But it is a really important part of the game to pay attention to these higher highs and higher lows in uptrends. Okay, so that's going to be Litecoin here on the 1-day time frame. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, looking good here, breaking up above my resistance level, going up to potentially test that $195 to $200. So that's looking good. Volatility stop right now on the 4-hour time frame has you up of around 181. So if I was playing this on the 4-hour time frame, that's basically where I'd be moving my stop loss up to, or maybe even a little bit underneath that 177. Because I know a lot of people have been asking about that, so I just want to address that. Relative strength right now at 67. We did have a green buy dot here at about 186, and we're getting a nice move to the upside there. So guys, you know, if we can get up above that level of around 200, it really could open the door up to around that 232, 233 area. If we take a look at our technicals right now for Litecoin, we have a 0 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 16 buy for the overall summary on the 1-day time frame. Oscillators 0 sell, 9 neutral, and a 2 buy. Moving averages 0 sell, 1 neutral, and a 14 buy. You know, guys, congratulations to the Litecoin holders who were buying down in this area, because we're really getting to take this for a ride now and see where it can land us. So, you know, for all the people hating on Litecoin, guys, I just use it as a trading vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Like, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Qtum, ADA, it doesn't matter. It's a trading vehicle, and if it's moving and it's doing well and it's getting adopted, I want to be a part of it. So that's just my thoughts on Litecoin, guys. God bless you all. Keep an eye on these targets. Take care.